to this video. If you clicked on it, it's probably because you need some new hood struts for your G37 because the hood won't stay open when you open it up. So to show you how easy it is to install these yourself, we're gonna do this whole video in one take. So right here is the G37. Currently have it propped up with a golf club. And what you're gonna wanna do is first make sure your hood strut matches the current one, which in this case I've already done that, and it does. Then what you're gonna do is there's a little slat right here. You're just gonna stick your flathead in there, pull it out, and take this clip out. So you don't need that anymore. Then you're gonna come down to the bottom, move those out of the way, and you'll see there's another one. You just put it in and pull. There it goes to infinity, and that's it. Then all you do, pull out. So out with the old, and in with the new. So you're gonna put one in, and you're just gonna hammer it in like as hard as you can. With that in, I'll be able to get a better shot right here. So you're just gonna go on this ball, and it's gonna be tough because it's supposed to be. And it's also easier to do this with two hands. Boom. So now it's in, the clips are in, and then that's that. So really, at this point, if you wanted to, you could remove this and it actually would stay by itself. But for the sake of doing this all in one take as quickly as possible, helps if I get the camera focused. Ow, gave myself a piercing, that's fine, it's fine. So there's one. Coming with the second one. There it goes. That's the other one. Then we're just gonna go yoink. And apparently yeet it all the way over there. Then grab your next one. Also apologize for anybody who gets motion sickness. So you get it on the ball, and just like that, boom. And then just to make my life a little easier, I'm gonna remove the golf club and just kind of use my head. So here we go. It's like in there per se. Well, now it's in, and that's that. So when you close it, and then and there you go. Now you have a hood that is, well, gonna stay up. So it's really that easy. If you enjoyed this video, please click subscribe for more videos, and also like the video. It kind of helps out. We're on pace to doing really well for this channel. The goal is to get 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and it would just really help if you did that. So subscribe, click the bell so you're notified for more videos kind of like this, or just other random things that I do. And until next time, take it easy.